Here is the latest business intelligence demo from Construqtive. We're demoing our simplest, most feature-rich Excel reporting solution to date. You can create a rich interactive web report in just 3 steps. Open the workbook, paste in your data and click upload. It's really that simple. We'll also be showing some more sophisticated reporting which allows you to create individual customized reports from a single master report. Although this demo is presented with data from Excel, we can also access your data stored in relational databases, web service, MX Access, CSV files, etc. And they can be either live or extracted to a specific schedule. Okay, let's get started. To get going, open the Report Maker spreadsheet and enable the macros. The first screen you see is the Easy Reporting screen. Just to show you exactly how easy it is to use, I'm going to create a report right now. I have another workbook open which has some data in it. This data is from a furniture sales business. I'm going to select it all and copy it and paste it onto the yellow cell. I will now click Create Report. As we wait in real time, you can see that within a few seconds Excel is opening up a browser with the newly created report already in it. Now the important thing to realise is that we have just copied unformatted data into Excel, and yet without setting any configurations it has now presented us with a graph showing cost and quantity by product. This is no accident. The Construqtive reporting system has analysed all the columns in the data to work out which columns are hierarchical, like teams or sectors, which are aggregates, like products, and which are sum, the numbers like cost and profit. If your columns don't exist in our database, that's not a problem. You can add them just once and then all future reporting is completed automatically. If this top graph isn't impressive enough, wait till you see the drill down graph and filter panel. But first, I just want to prove the flexibility of the solution. If I go back to the Excel, you can see there's a button which will generate random data. If I press this button, I will be given a totally new set of data with different column headings and different order. Now I simply click Create Report again, and within seconds we have yet another customized interactive report. Now let's take a look at the 2 other visualizations that have been included in this report. The first one, the drill down graph, is a great way to see how different parts of the business are performing. You can quickly dive into the data to help find areas where you have wins as well as areas that need more attention. Remember that this hierarchy has been built totally automatically, so as your business changes you can see that your Construqtive web reporting solution will keep up with you. Now onto the filter panel. The panel is a useful way to search for individual records in your dataset. There's no clicking search and waiting for a response via a page refresh. This all happens in real time and gives you granular control of exactly what you see. As I click into this tree view, the data is being filtered in real time. You can also filter via product. Okay, so now we've looked at the simple version of the online report. Let's take a look at the more sophisticated version. In this report you will be able to create a number of individual sub-reports from the single master report. This is very useful if you have to give out the same style of report to multiple people. Let's click on the Advanced Report button to go to the more advanced features. I'm going to paste in the same data from the first example, but this time we will configure a few extra parts. I'm firstly going to define some users. These are people who have the authority to view the report. By defining the users we can automatically send them an email or SMS message which tells them they have a report to view and also gives them their login details. I'm going to copy these details from a previous spreadsheet. Also I can configure the report to filter the data based on their level of authority. So if I'm a salesperson, I should only be able to see my sales, whereas if I'm the team leader I should be able to see all my team's performance. Again, I will copy this data in from previous spreadsheet. Once I've copied the data into the workbook, I just click Create Report and that's it. To demonstrate the different versions, I'm going to log in as if I were different users. As I log in as Thomas, I get a very specific view of just my sales team. If I now log in as Sally, who is manager of the bookshelves, you can see her reporting is already automated to show just her data. And then John's reporting gives him view of just one sector. Utilities. Okay, well that's the end of the demo. I hope you've gained an appreciation of the capabilities of the Construqtive Excel to web reporting. If you have any comments, please join the conversation on Twitter or contact us through our website. Thanks for watching.